In this video, I'm going to show you how to make our geared steampunk pumpkin pin. Wow, that was a mouthful, isn't it? This is the package. If you've opted to get the bonus project in our October 2022 box, this is what you're going to be looking for. And when you finish building it, you're going to get something that looks like this, that you can wear. You can put it on a hat, you can put it on your shirt, whatever you want. Let's open up the package and see what we have. In the package, you have the main pumpkin piece. Let's open up the little gear package that we have here. Move this stuff out of the way. And you have 2 large gears and 1 small gear. So for the prep for this project, we recommend that you sand down at least the side with the decorations on it, and sand down the gears carefully, not to damage the teeth, but sand them down on both sides. Once you've sanded them down, you can go ahead and decorate them, use wood stains, use our included ink pens that we gave you, pretty much any kind of material that or decoration that will soak into the wood. When you're done with that, we'll come back and show you how to assemble this. Now that you finished decorating everything, let's assemble your project. Let's open up the screws. So in the screw kit, you should have 3 3/8 inch screws, 3 nuts, and 2 pins. To build this project is quite simple. Start with one of the big gears and insert it into one of the outside holes. Take some of your glue and put a very small drop of glue on it, and then put your nut on, but not too tight. You want to make sure you leave a gap so that it's free spinning. Then take your small gear, put this one into the middle hole, and do the same thing. And put the nut on, and as before, remember, not too tight. And then the final one, put the screw into the gear, put it into the hole, a little drop of glue, and make sure it's not too tight. And now you have a geared pumpkin. You can adjust it as needed to make sure things spin the way you want them to. For the pin backs, put a little bit of glue onto the pin, like so, and place it wherever you want to place it. Repeat with the second one. And place it wherever you want to place it. Make sure they're about even to each other, but it really kind of doesn't matter. Like that. The pins come off by squeezing the little tabs and pulling. And there you have it, your geared pumpkin.